Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit submission in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, here you can enter the URL of Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites. Choose the correct site of your school and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of Moodle site of your school. You can enter your username and your password to log in here. Now, in order to access the submission, I'm logging in as a student and log into it. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. You are in the course page right now. You can see the list of courses that you are enrolled in. From the list, you can select any courses. Tap on it. Once you're in the course page, you can open the assignments. Here you can see the Add Submission button. Tap on it to submit the assignments. You can simply type anything over here for now. Save changes. As you can see, the assignment has been submitted right now. Now in order to edit this submission, here you can see the Edit Submission option. Click on it. And there you go. You can edit your submission again. You can make the necessary changes, and once you are done, tap on the Save Changes button again. So that's it. That's how you can edit submission if you already have submitted your assignments before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.